Hey everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and we had a great suggestion for a video submitted to us by Emilio Despirito of Despirito Team Real Estate Professionals. Now, Emilio and his team are one of the top producers, volume-wise, in the entire state of Rhode Island. So they know what's going on. And what Emilio pointed out to me, which we agree with, is that rents have increased almost 30% in the past couple years. So look at it this way. If you rented an apartment for $650 2 years ago, you should be today in the $800 range. Now think about that. That's a substantial increase. Have you done that, or have you looked at the rents to see that you're at the current market value? Now, you don't want to sell yourself short, but you don't want to push those rents so high that you have a vacancy. So what you need to do is contact Nexus today so we can take a look at all of your units, all of your portfolio, to see if you're getting what's owed to you. So once again, this is Gregory at Nexus Property Management's headquarters, your property managed.